In case the student doesn't have any parent details added to their profile, so when a student is signing up to the platform, when they're creating their account, what happens is they are asked to enter the details of the parent, the first name, last name, and email ID. So, in case the student hasn't entered any parent details during the sign up, what they can do is the admin can also add the details for the parent on student's behalf, and they can map that parent to this particular student. So for doing that, the admin will have to go to the student's profile. Once they are on the profile, you can see that in the header there is this button called edit profile. So the admin will click on that, and here there will be a drop down in this model at the bottom where the admin can select the parent whom they want to map to this particular student. So all the parents who are part of the platform, right, those would be shown in the drop down. So currently there is just one parent, and if the admin wants to map this parent to the student, the admin will select the name. Once the name is selected for the associated parent, the admin will click on save. So now you can see that this particular parent has been mapped to the student. So this is how the admin can map a parent to a student. Similarly, the student can also go to their profiles, and by clicking on the edit profile button, they can associate a parent to their account.